Guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I do my own nails at home. This is actually my first time doing my nails at home and I feel like I did a pretty good job. So of course the first thing that you need are some nails. I have two types of nails. Then the second thing that you need are some nail polish. Then you need some nail glue. You also need some files. You need polish remover and you need some cotton. So these are the nails that I chose for this video, and I went in with these nails because I felt like they were easy to manipulate when it comes to filing and trimming compared to the other ones that I'd shown you earlier. So here I'm just putting the nails on my real nails to see if they fit, and I'm gonna be doing that for the rest of the nails. So this is how my real nails look, and then next I'll start working on them. I'll start by buffing, and it looks like I didn't know what I was doing, guys, but trust me, I know what I'm doing. Okay, I'll start by buffing my nails, and then next I'll file them. So I didn't like the shape of the nails, so I went right ahead and trimmed the nails to my desired look. You can also trim the nails to how you want them to look like, and also I did this because I wanted them to fit perfectly on my real nails. So I'll file them until I'm satisfied with how they look. Okay, so next I'm gonna be putting the glue onto the fake nail, and I'll also put the glue onto my real nail and then press them together. And I'll press them for a few seconds just to make sure that the glue is dry. And then next I'll go in with my polish remover and remove all the dirt that had accumulated on the nails before I go in with the polish. So here comes the fun part of this whole video. I'll go in with my little nail polish in color number 32 and apply it on my nails. So this is how my nails look like after the first coat, and I'm so in love with this color, guys. And you don't necessarily have to go in with the second coat, but if you want your polish to pop more, then of course you'll have to go in with the second coat. So this is how my nails look like after the second coat, and I am so in love with this color, guys. And finally I'll go in with the top coat for some shine. So this is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching this video and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe and you turn on your post notifications so that you're notified every time I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook because that's where I am mostly active. And it's until next time, guys. Bye.